Gaga music.
Shake it. Give me the bang bang. Larry Gaga. Baby, don't move until I say you move. Baby, don't move. Cause me, I want to know if you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys my foundation routine and my curly hair routine as well. Most of the products I use for this foundation routine are all drugstore products except for the MAC concealer. As you guys can see, I'm using this MAC concealer to conceal my dark spots. I'm using a darker shade of MAC concealer because it's going to help to conceal the spots better than using a lighter shade. Now I'm gonna go in with my Revlon COLOURSTAY foundation in Caramel 400, and I'm gonna apply this foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It gives me full and flawless coverage. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna highlight with this concealer. I'm using a shade that is a bit lighter than my skin shade. Then I'm gonna be blending it with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna be using a shade that is a bit darker than my normal skin tone because I'm just trying to contour with it, you know. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Ben 9 powder on my highlighted parts. And now I'm gonna go in with a darker shade of powder and then use it to apply on my contoured parts. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything. And this is the final look of the foundation routine. It looks absolutely flawless. I love it. So right here I'm going to show you guys my coily hair routine. I'll be using this coily wig from RPGSHOW Hair Company. So this is how the packaging comes, and this is what comes with the wig. This wig actually almost resembles our natural hair. It's just that it has more coily texture. So this is what it looks like. I really love the coils of this hair. But in order to maintain this type of wig, this type of hair, you need to make sure you always moisturize this hair. But before that, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it a little bit. I'm going to twist the hairline to make it appear more natural. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So this is how it looks like after twisting it. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply my water. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water on the hair. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my castor oil. I'm just gonna use it to seal the other products that I've applied. So now I'm just gonna cut out the spare lace in front. Then I apply a little bit of my foundation on the lace parts to make it appear more natural. I'm gonna go ahead and install it, but I actually installed it using the Got to Be Glued gel. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Baby, what's up with you? You know